Welcome to dear student class 8th subject computer in online class. Dear student, today you will start the lesson 12 surfing internet. As you know, the internet is a global network. It means it contains a number of the computer network and different types of the network. Internet has merged as the biggest network in the world and become immensely popular due to its versatility and the various spheres of our life. Internet is a major tool to communicate, socialize, shop and works. In these days, the peoples are generally used for communication purposely. The Internet is a worldwide physically accessible network made up of the thousands of the interconnected computer network. So one has any ideas about the number of the computer connected to Internet and the number of growing rapidly with each passing days. The computers on internet communication with each other using the transmission control protocol and internet protocols means that information transfer from one computer to another computer or server to client computer follow up the rules. These are called the transmission control protocol. Protocols means a set of rules. And internet protocols which provide the ID for connectivity for source of information to destination means client computer and other devices. Next, World Wide Web. The World Wide Web consists of millions of documents or a bunch of pages. Means internet web page which contain a different type of the information, text information, numeric information, audio information, images information, video information, and so on. The World Wide Web W3 was developed by 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee in Switzerland. The initial purpose of the web page to use the network hypertext which facilitates the communication from link the one page to another web page. A number of pages can be linked. A rapid growth in the number of the both developers and the user led to the incorporation of the graphics, video, and sounds. The web used the HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Text Transfer Protocol for the transfer of these documents over the internet. People consider the internet and web to same, but it is not so. The World Wide Web is accessed through the internet. It is similar to many other services available on internet like the email, telnet, FTP, file transfer protocol, telnet. You can be operated the another system through the own client computer. Email, electronic mail. It allows easier navigation through the use of graphical user interface. Means GUI facility is also available for operate the text page or the web page. Hypertext link between the different addresses. 3W is a true example of the client server technology. A person whose internet uses a software known as web browser as a Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome's, UC browser and so on, and request for the document or the web page located somewhere on the web. The browser requests internet host or server which contain that document. Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP) web page are written in simple markup language called the HTML Hypertext Markup Language. It is a documental language. Nobody can even imagine as to how many millions pages are there on a web. They are made by the individual or the organization or by the one who wants to publish them. Next, the multimedia. The web has become broadcast medium. Several types of the information telecast are distributed with in the form of video. Video means contain the animated clips with audio. Earlier, the entire media files used to quite large and consumed a lot of time to downloading period of viewing. This problem has been solved by revolutionary development multimedia capability. Streaming media, in this case audio and video files, are played as they are downloading. The Windows Media Player, Real Player, QuickTime, Plug in Play, streaming video and video files. You use these software for run in a computer system. Shockwave and Flash are the plug-in this offer to certain an implementation of an entire multimedia display combining graphics, animation, and the sound. Real time communication, text, audio, and video communication can happen in the real time online. On the web, this capability allows people to conference and collaborate in a real time. It is a simple chat program allow the multiple user to type to each other in a real time. The real-time communication tools include chat, text, audio, contact, telephone conversation, video, view your audience, file transfer, FTP, document and applications sharing view, and use a program on another desktop machine. Skype is the one of the most popular application for the video conferencing voice over internet protocol VoIP, where the sound is transferred and follow the rules of VoIP. It allows you to send messages and make voice and video calls to follow Skype user on the internet for free. You can even call people abroad on their phone, on a cell phone, on fair, affordable rate. What do you need to set the Skype? Means you install the software Skype in your computer. Before you download the Skype, it is better to know about their requirement. You must have a high speed internet connection. You should have the speaker or headphone and microphone. Webcam is needed for the video. Install the software for the webcam and then plug in a webcam to a computer. Nowadays, new computer come with built-in webcam. In these two versions of Skype, Skype for Windows operating system, Skype for Mac operating system. Downloading and installing the Skype for Windows as given the process you can be follow if you have the internet connection in your computer. If your computer is connected, you go skype.com with the browser. Click on the Get Skype tab and select the category window. Select the blue tab that's stage download Skype. Then a form for will appear with the name, create as an account, sign it and create an account tab. When you fill the required information into the form, now as the username, Skype name, and so enter the password, repeat the password, then you click on the I agreement continue, and then when downloading is completed, then Skype setup.exe you find and double click it on, and automatically the software is installed in your computer system. When the installation is completed, then you fill the password and use the Skype software facilities. Required information you fill as like the add contact, email address, add as you make the contact with the other person or the other computer, you can make the contact and send the request and you get it. Like this type of the sign is appear like the green. The contact with the green check are those available in the chat with or call. It means you can be communicate and continue the contact or chat with the other person. Skype allow you to chat with the people similar to instant message, or you can call the people. To make a call on the Skype, select a person you wish to call with the contact tab. Click on the call button you wish to have voice call and select the video call. To import the contact, it is a wonderful feature of the Skype software. You can make the contact more than one person at a time use Skype. The import contact, one open the Skype window, sign it, click on the contact tab on menu bar and select the import contact. Facebook account, Gmail account, yahoo.com, several users also, and their password is also there. Click on the import tab, then you can add the people, either individual or all at once. Next service of the internet, blogging, where user can be put of own view and share the view among the peoples or the user or the blogger. A blog is an easy way to create website which allows users to share their thoughts with the world. The word blog comes from weblog because a blog consists of a signed and dead log of individual posting. The topic of the blog is can be thing from person to professional. A blog is what you make it of it. Blogging can be an interactive activity. Readers can add comments to a blogger's posting. How you can create the account in a form of the blog. Open the site www.blogger.com. Site will be open to create a blog with blogger site. You have the name and account, email or the Gmail. Sign in using the Gmail username and the password. You will get the welcome to Blogger screen shown as 12.17 figure. The display page gives you the option to create your profile. Means you can be fill required information for open the account. Specify the name, display name, continue to bloggers, new blog options, fill up the required information. Specify the title for your blog. You creative expression. Specify the URL address for your blog. Say minor Raghav. As example is here, you can be use for understanding and you can be create the blog account through the internet. Different templates for your blog will be displayed. Select the template of your choice. Means you can be create the blog account with the attractive way. Your blog has been created to account to your blog. Click on the start posting. The posting page open, then post text. You can enter the title, your blog post content. Similarly, as you send the information through the internet. To format the text, use the toolbar shown just below. Contact window, Microsoft Word. As you know, the formatting tools also available, bold, italic, underline, and so on. You can be used for posting the information through the blog. Click on the publish button after you have entered the content and formatted properly of your blog information. Similarly, you can add more contents to your blog by clicking a new post button. You can use the different menus option setting. To change the appearance of your blog, click on the layout button. Means you can be change the appearance of the blog to the another person or the visitors. You can be set it. After making the necessary changes you can sign out button at the top right. To view your blog, tap URL. For example, as you are seeing here, you can be see it. You can be sign out from the blog site. To add and modify the content of your blog, if you want to now edit it, you can be again sign in and open the blogger.com, edit, new post, edit post. These options are also available and you can be change the information and then again come out with the sign out button.